Alrighty, guys, welcome back. So, this is our tropical weather outlook here for May 20th, 2025. Also, today in weather history, the last EF5 tornado hit the United States, striking Moore, Oklahoma, date 12 years ago, which is pretty devastating, but at the same time, we move on, just like we move on with the hurricane season. So currently, we do not have anything in the Atlantic. If I showed the 7-day geographical tropical weather outlook, no tropical cyclone activity is expected during next week over here in the Atlantic, North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf. Tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 7 days. However, if we jump on over to the Eastern Pacific here, we can see that we do have a lemon here. We have a lemon with a less than 40% chance of forming right now. However, this we're still a week out from this, so this will change. Could go to 00, 010, or it could go up 030, 1040. 70-70. We still don't know, as this is a week out from actually happening here. However, what we do know right now, as of the 8 p.m. tropical weather outlook on Tuesday, May 20th, 2025, for the East Pacific, an area of low pressure could form by this weekend or early next week, several hundred miles south of the southern coast of Mexico. Conditions appear favorable for some development of the system. Thereafter, while it moves westward to west northwestward at around 10-15 miles an hour. So the formation chance through 48 hours is low, near 0%, and the formation chance through 7 days is also low, 20%. So overall, they're not expecting much from this throughout the next week. However, if we jump on over to Tropical Tidbits here, as you guys know, I do love Tropical Tidbits. It's one of the best apps, or I guess one of the best things you can download. Well, not even download, just get on your computer to look at hurricane models and whatnot. So this is about a week out, pretty much. And you can see that we have a clustered mess of showers and thunderstorms here. About hour week and 6 hours out, maybe, we have an area of low pressure form here, just off the coast of Mexico, Panama, all that area there. Then it quickly organizes itself, potentially into a hurricane here, as it moves west northwestward and then quickly weakens here, potentially either due to shear or colder waters here. Let's see. Eh, yeah, it looks like currently right now the water isn't warm enough here to support a tropical system. What we want is these reds and even pinks here. What we don't want is these blues here that you can see around California, Oregon, Washington, around these islands here on Alaska, Russia, here China, the Koreas, Japan, all those areas. We want ocean waters to be warm because that's obviously what tropical systems like. They like warm water and they don't like shear. Shear will tear the systems apart. However, that's what we're looking at in the Pacific here. We could potentially have our first named system of the Eastern Pacific hurricane season within the next week or so. Continue going in time, that weekends. We don't really have anything else happen in the Pacific. Want to jump over to the Atlantic quickly to see if anything else is happening over here. And here's our system in the Pacific. Um, that I don't think is anything. You want to see like the lines around it, like this thing over here. Even though that's not a tropical system, that's an extratropical system, but still, you want to see the lines around it. This does not have that. This system, whatever it is, does not have that, and that's about 2.5 weeks out as well. That doesn't have it. So nothing in the Atlantic. So our main concern right now is our lemon in the Eastern Pacific that we're going to be watching here for potential tropical cyclone development. But that'll do it for the video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, guys, peace out.